Jay Hunter's Garage. Hey?
Look out!
Truck that was originally painted by a painter there in Michigan. It was then stored for many years in Houston and then purchased by an individual from Kerrville, and then I purchased the truck from him. A lot of people ask me, what all have I done to the truck? And I said, I've just bought floor mats for it. It came like that already. So I haven't done anything to it. It's frame off restoration, 1966, 350. It's rated out at about 325 horsepower, and basically worked on by lots of individuals who know what they're doing.
I love this thing.
And I'm Fred Beatty, and this is my replica
of a 1952 MGTD. It's a fiberglass body on a 74 Volkswagen chassis, and I've replaced all of the gas stuff with electric. So this has 72 lithium-ion batteries for 230 volts worth, has a 9-inch electric DC motor, and it'll go about 50 miles on a charge, and I don't know what the top speed is. I haven't been there yet. So you're looking at a 9-inch DC brushed motor that originated probably in either a forklift or an escalator. But this particular one has been reworked for vehicle use, so it doesn't burn out after too short a time. The controller is a Soliton 1, and it puts out as much as 1,000 amps. So that's why you see the big 4-row cables heading from the controller to the motor. And the motor will support 170 volts and probably rated at about 110, 120 horsepower. I have 72 batteries powering this vehicle, and they're lithium iron phosphate. So it's a nominal 230 volts. It actually charges up to 256. So you want to be just a little bit cautious about where you put your fingers on this car.
Tell me the electronics on this are not made by Lucas.
No. But even better, it will not leak oil.